Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. Federal Cabinet approves budget 2021-22, increases salaries. The Federal Cabinet meeting headed by PM Imran Khan on Friday approved the budget for 2021-22, giving a nod to a 10% increase in salaries and pensions of the government employees. The Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf government is all set to unveil the Federal Budget 2021-22. National Assembly government proposes tax cut to bring down car prices. Fawad Chaudhry seeks suggestions from opposition on Budget 2021-22. Federal Minister for Information and Broadcasting Fawad Chaudhry sought suggestion on Budget 2021-22 from opposition parties. Health Organization declares Philippines polio-free after vaccine campaign. The Philippines is once again polio-free. The World Health Organization, after a successful vaccination campaign that has raised hopes for COVID-19 inoculation, country plagued by mistrust of Japs. 18 people killed as passenger bus flipped in Khuzdar. At least 18 persons were killed and 30 were injured as a passenger bus overturned in Khuzdar. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.